In Convertri, you can show a pop-up to anyone browsing your page after a certain time has elapsed or after they try to leave the page. This video will show you how to set up a pop-up when someone tries to leave the page, otherwise known as an exit intent pop-up. To set this up, in the page builder, click Layers. You then have the option to either choose from Convertri's pre-built layers, where we have a pop-up option, as well as the choice of some opt-in forms, or you can make your own new layer by clicking New Blank Layer, the blue button at the bottom of the menu. You can then give your layer a name and click OK. The layer has now been added to the page, as you can see in the Layers menu. You can choose to make it start hidden and make sure it's selected by checking the tick box. Now you can build your pop-up. So drag a panel onto the page. You can resize it using the handles and move it around to the location you would like. Then you can add any form elements you'd like to appear on the pop-up, such as a first name input or an email input to collect prospect information. You'll also need a submit button if this is for a form. You can also add a text element as the headline for your pop-up. You can change the font settings for your headline, and you can use our alignment tools to make sure your pop-up panel is looking nice and neat. Once you're happy with your pop-up, you'll need to add a further submit button so that you can have a close option for your pop-up. This will allow your prospect to close the pop-up if they don't want to submit their information. Add a submit button and place it in the top corner of the pop-up. You can then change the label in the element properties, and you'll need to change the mode to trigger. Once you've done this, you can add the action to the pop-up button. Click Add New Action, and under Event Type, choose Click and then On-Click. For action, choose Hide and Fade Out Target, and under Target, select the pop-up layer, as this is what you want to close when the button is clicked. Now you've set up the Close Action and Event sequence, you can add the Exit Intent sequence. To do this, go to the Actions tab on the top toolbar. Then click Add New Action. Under Event Type, click Exit Intent and then select On Mouse Leaving Viewport. This means that when someone goes to exit the page, the pop-up will be shown. Under Show, add Fade in Target, and under Target, choose the pop-up layer once again. Click Done to make the changes save, and then publish your page. Once your page is published, you can click View Page and see your pop-up in action. To do this, just move your mouse towards the Exit button on the page. You'll see that the pop-up is displayed when the user shows an exit intent and is closed when the Close button is clicked.